This is what we have been trying to grow for a very long time. This is a tuber and it's a Irish potato. And you put it down for it to chit or produce eyes for it to grow. But we haven't been getting any luck with this. So we're going to try something different today. This little packet contains some seeds. These are called true seed potatoes. True seed potato, or true potato seeds. Our farmers will not take these routes because normally Irish potatoes take about 3 months to produce their tubers. But doing this method will be 5 months, I think, or even more. And also planting out the seeds. Since this is clancy potato seeds, you might not get the same product. All right, everyone, welcome back to Blessings from the Garden. Just to give you an update of the true seed potato. Now, it took a long time to germinate. Just check these out. So we have 2 germinations so far. These are the ones that had the other ones in. Not seeing anything coming up, so I might just put more in there and then add 5 more to the set. And just giving these some water because these are in the greenhouse for protection. Alright, so let me show you again what the true seed potato looks like. These are they. Alright, so I'm going to take out 9 of them. Alright, so making a very small hole in the soil and not a big one because I want these to be easily germinated. Okay, they're all in. I'm just going to cover them with some soil, just lightly cover them. And again, I'm going to put more water on them. Not much. Just to ensure that the seed has contact with the soil. And there you have it. Alright guys, just to show you that we have 2 more cauliflower coming up. So this is one. And these are growing a bit slower than the rest that we harvested because they're in the shade. They're well protected. And here is the other one. So we have 2 to harvest probably about in a month's time. Okay guys, so our raspberries are ripening one by one. But the thing is that they're not getting that big. I guess because it's our first time, it's their first fruit production, and then with this high temperature, pretty much sure that those are some factors contributing to the small fruits. But this one is not yet ready, so I'm going to show you 2 or 3 that are actually ready to be picked. Alright, so this is the other plant. So I'm going to take this one off. The things that they're shedding off, I'm not sure why they're coming apart, but I tasted one last week and the flavor is so good. Wasn't expecting that. Actually, it tastes better than strawberries. So hopefully in the next season they'll be much bigger. Alright, so this is it for now. Do remember to start a garden one content at a time, and we will see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.